In this video, we'll walk you through installing Accountable2You on your Apple Mac. First, navigate to the Accountable2You support website. Search for the Mac installation guide. Identify whether you have an Intel or M-Series Mac. This Mac is an M2, so we'll download the M-Series installer. Once the download is complete, open the file. When the installer window appears, select Continue, then select Install. Enter your Mac password and select Install Software. Wait for the installation to complete. The app will now open. Click Login, then click Next until you get to the Add Device screen. Give your computer a descriptive name. Next, enter your Accountable2You username. Enter your password. Finally, click Add Device. If you're on a family plan, you'll be asked to assign this computer to a user. After that, review the terms and conditions and click I agree. Click Check My Device. On the screen recording settings page, click Open Settings. Confirm by selecting Open System Settings in the pop-up. Toggle Accountable2You on. Enter your Mac password and click Modify Settings. In the next pop-up, click Quit and Reopen. This will apply the setting changes to the Accountable2You app. Once the Accountable2You app reopens, click Done. And that's it. Accountable2You will now quietly monitor in the background. If you need any help, please visit our support website. Thanks for watching.